Tire Rack headquarters in South Bend, Indiana for the One Lap of America final event. And quite a few cars showed up. I think there's like 81. Go get him, Big Chris. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, man. We were just out at Gas Monkey about 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
Good time?
Yeah, well, we went on a weekend, so it wasn't much happening. But now I was like, you guys are coming back to my neck of the woods, so I'm going to stop by and say what's up. So, yeah, I wish Rich would have been there, but hey, we'll get back out to see him.
Thanks for supporting.
Yeah, man. Have a good one. About to get a little serious. We got some heavy hitters coming up now. Got the ACR Viper, got an 812. Now we're gonna hear some stuff. Oh my God, but that Ferrari, the 812, who loves the sound of a V12 engine? My gosh. Thank you. Yeah. How else would you pull a Dodge Viper? With a matching Ram. Perfect. Perfect. The details, guys. The details. That's going to wrap it up for us out here at Tire Rack for One Lap America. Tire Rack. Beautiful little location. Wish I could stay longer, but we gotta go.